This is exactly where I lash. Here on the top drawer is my necessities, my must-haves. You guys know time is money. I have them hidden right there so I don't have to see them. It is magnetizable. What is the word? Is it that word?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, that's what we're gonna go with. Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel and happy Valentine's Day. It's not Valentine's Day when you're watching, but it is when I'm filming. So I hope you guys had an amazing day with your loved ones. Today I wanted to share with you guys my updated lash cart, my lash stash, if you will, on my lashing products, where I store them and all that fun things, fun jazz, good stuff, whatever. Let's go to the lashing studio. So we're in the studio now. I'm saying we because my assistant is back there.
Hello.
Hello. This is exactly where I lash. If you guys want a studio tour, I do have one up on my YouTube channel. I'll have it linked up here for you guys. But I go live every Wednesday on Instagram. If you're not following me, go check me out. I'll be live tomorrow on Instagram. And I was talking about my lash cart and how I switched from a little Michael's Alex dupe to the actual Alex drawer from IKEA. So a lot of you guys want to see what I did, what I have in each drawer. I also have another one back here, and I have made another lash cart video. I'll link it up here again for you guys, but that's when I built this one. Rudy came and helped me and we put things in there, but we switched things up. I used to have lashes down here, now they're over here, so let's just get into it. Right next to my recliner I have my Glamcore. I love the Glamcore lights. This one I just bought on Black Friday. It comes with this little control that has like all the settings. You can do warm, neutral, cool. It is magnetized as well, so you can just add it to the light itself. I love how sleek and thin it is. And also the panels I think are LED, so it doesn't get super hot. Moving on to the side, this is my first lash cart, and it is the Alex drawer from IKEA. I'll have it linked down below for you. I use the top as my workstation, so I have my hygrometer, I have my tweezer stands, and all my favorite and really cute tweezers are in here. I am going to be doing a giveaway, so wait till the end to see how to enter to win some amazing lash goodies. I have this right here where I can place my phone. I also have it on my, what is it called? Glamcore. I can also place my phone up here, so you can place your phone lots of different areas. And in here I have some scissors, lash mirror, Sharpie to do, you know, your little lash mapping. I have also this bad boy. This is only for my volume fans, so you know you can fluff up the little lash tray before you make your fans. Makes it a lot easier. I have my tape, my favorite tape, the Nichiban tape, the pink tape. These are the ones that I use all the time. My, of course, handy dandy little Mr. tissue, so I can do my little SMA right here, and that's how this turns into my workstation, because I put my tweezers and all the things that I need up here, and also this little iMagic adhesive shaker that is amazing. I still haven't labeled my drawers. I need to bring in my little label maker to like label each one, but we're going to quickly go through everything. Here on the top drawer is my necessities, my must-haves. I have all my adhesive rings right here. I have glue, little cups, flowers, all that good stuff. I keep this one empty, so when I'm lashing and I have already shooken my adhesive, I keep it here with a new little nozzle wipe, so every time I drop a drop of adhesive I could clean the nozzle. I have here my fave rose quartz cleanser by Maven, and then I also have here my favorite Cami and I Win Prep and Prime. I have one right here because it's my favorite and I could not go without it. I also have my little lash cleanser to clean your tweezers. This is just acetone, I believe. I got it at LashCon. And also, of course, a necessity, black chamomile sleep, so when your client can't relax, this is definitely going to help them relax, just spraying it on their little headrest. And more to the back, I have more products that I'm using, my favorite adhesive. I also have these bad boys here. If you guys seen my Instagram reel or my TikTok, I made a unboxing of the February box from LAB, and she gave me a bottle, so I'm able to try it before I give this bad boy to my clients. I got these at LashCon. They're oil-free hydrating serum, but like I said, I haven't gave to my guests because I haven't personally tried it out, and I'm excited that I got it in my Lash artist box for February, so I'll be able to try it out and then see if I can give them to my guests to try out. Moving on to the second drawer, this is where I have my head pads. I usually use dental bibs, but Amazon wasn't going to deliver them as soon as I needed them, so I went to Kroger and got some little doggy pads. I used these for a long time in my career and then just switched over to dental bibs because it did take a couple seconds to cut, and you guys know time is money, so I switched over to dental bibs, but doggy pads work perfectly fine too. My third drawer has all my lashes. I have a ton, even more back there. I need to reorganize them, get rid of lashes that I don't use, and just like restock on my faves. These are my favorite lashes, the C-Curl 0.07 Borboleta OG lashes. These are amazing. And then for my 0.3 lashes, I love Dollhouse, and as you can see, I need to like really restock, so this is where I keep my lashes. And then I also have more lashes down here, and all my backstock of other things that I use is right over here. So backstock of lash adhesive rings, gel pads, and then just like mascara wands, little lip applicators, more adhesive rings, you know, your mascara wand covers, just paper straws cut. I also have here a back brace by Sugar Lash Pro that I use every single time I lash. Also my loops, I got these at LashCon 2019. They're amazing but very expensive. And I also have this to, you know, clean my eye goggles or whatever, or like my camera screen. I have the Jenna lens, and also another little lens thing here. This is for like pictures. I got this from Chanel when she was doing her Top Shelf Beauty lash artist boxes. What these are, you just connect them to your phone's camera to take like cool pictures or whatever, but I don't take good pictures, so I have them hidden right there so I don't have to see them. And in the very last drawer, this is my personal drawer where I have like face mask, I have my lint roller, deodorant if I forget to put some on, some perfume, just some necessities. I like to have this little, what is it called, stress ball, so if your client also can't relax, I give them this, and with the pillow mist, it just like helps your guests relax. So I have that right here. This is for my glam core to put my DSLR camera, but just some like personal things in there. And then yes, I do have adhesive that dropped on it, so that's okay, don't look at that right there. So on this side, I asked my husband to install this little shelf unit that I got at IKEA. I believe it's called the Lash shelf. On top I have this tape storage container that is from Cami, also in the giveaway for my 20K giveaway. Wait until the end to see how to enter to possibly win a tape storage. Then moving this way, I have all my tiles. I have deep curl 0.03, 0.07, 0.15. Then I have my C curls, the same 0.3, 0.7, 0.15, and they're all from 8mm to like 14, 15, really depends. Then moving over here, I got this on Amazon, I believe, and I just have little shelves where I have just random gel pads, lip mask. I also have more gel pads. I have more gel pads and some little goodies that I give to my new guests. Most of them I give them this like little spoolie storage for their purses. I almost forgot to mention my little stretching flyer that I got from Lash Happy. I do these stretches all the time. As you guys can tell, I want to stay flexible and lash as long as I possibly can. On the side of my shelf, I added this little hook thing. My mom gave me this for good luck. When I opened my studio, she gave it to me and she said, keep it in your studio, it's for good luck. And I've always had it here. And I also have my little Maven all access pass when I want to go train with her right here. But I put it up there for my little mirror for my guest, so when they open their eyes they can see the beautiful lashes. So this lash cart I got at Michael's, and it is rose gold. I've seen them some that are extra long, and I've seen them in different colors. So I love that it is magnetized. It is magnetizable. What is the word? Is it that word?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, that's what we're gonna go with. So I got these little cable thingies, attachments on Amazon, and I'm able to just, you know, have them here. So I have a iPhone one, and I also have this one right here that charges my mister. It also charges my fan, and I just have them right here. It also charges my ring light that I just clip right here. And I am able to connect it to my phone and take amazing pictures of my guest lashes. Look how bright that is. I always keep my water bottle right here filled. Every time I'm done with a guest, I go and refill it, go use the restroom, do my stretches. Also, I have right here, it is a little aromatherapy, not aroma. It's called acupressure bracelet, which I also do. All of this is going to prolong my lashing career and just keep my hands feeling amazing, my body stretching, all that good stuff. And up here I have some cami storages that look like this. I have one for my spoolies. I also add my little, what are they, straws up here. And then I have another one right here that I have my dofa applicators. And then if I'm using a primer, a sealer, I have those other little brushes up there. And I'm gonna start offering some under eye treatment for my guests. So I have these little cold rollers here that in the future I'm gonna add to my menu. And that's what I have on the top. Moving to the second drawer, I have right here a clip just in case I have my hair down. I hate lashing with my hair in my face, so I always keep a clip right here. I have my distilled water. This is for, of course, my mister. I have my adhesive storage. This bad boy has silica beads in there, and my favorite adhesive, of course, did I not show you? This is how it looks. So I just keep it in here when I am not using it, and when I am lashing, like I showed you, I keep it over there. I have, again, the same scent, but now we have lotion for your hands. I already showed you guys my little, what is it, acupressure bracelet. My favorite hand sanitizer at the moment, which is this one. It is the antibacterial moisturizing hand sanitizer in champagne toast. It smells divine. My little handheld fan, and then back there are things that I don't really use but I need handy. So I have my tape. I'm running a little bit low. Nichiban, my favorite. I have down here a little silica packets, adhesive toppers. You know what, I should throw this away. I don't really use this at all anymore. I have right here used adhesive rings. I heard on TikTok that you can save them and use acetone to get the adhesive off of here, so I've been saving them to see if it works. And then I have water here, so whenever I do a lash bath, I can, you know, rinse my guest off. And then I have adhesive remover. This is by Untamed Artistry. I love it because they come, oh my goodness, they come in little single packets like this, and this is enough for one guest, so you don't have to be double dipping. You know, if you get a remover that has like a little jar or something, this is perfect. And then on the very last shelf, I have my cleaning essentials that I use after every guest. So I have my Lysol wipes that I Lysol wipe everything down with, my little Lysol spray that I spray down my recliner with, my Barbicide, of course, my little Barbicide, what is it called, little box where I put my tweezers in, and then I have acetone, which I'm gonna start using for this bad boy that I showed you guys earlier. So yeah, this is my little lash stash corner. Okay, that was enough of me talking about my lash products. Let's now get into your future lashing products if you're lucky. I wanted to do this giveaway because when I hit 20K, I want to thank you for liking my YouTube videos, commenting, subscribing to my YouTube channel, just watching my video. If you're watching, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I wanted to do a giveaway to give you guys back something. So I'm going to be choosing 2 winners, and they're all gonna get some nice goodies. There's some extras over here that I'm not gonna go over, but I'm gonna quickly show you what you can possibly win. Each winner is going to get a tweezer storage box. Each winner is gonna get a lash mirror. Like I mentioned, lots of goodies. Another tweezer storage. This one is for like if you want to travel, if you're a traveling lash artist, keep your tweezers nice and safe. And one of these winners, not both of them, one of them will get the tweezer storage. There's a lot of goodies. So to enter, all you have to do is comment in the comment section down below, and I'm also going to do a picture on Instagram. So I don't know exactly how long this will be open for. I'm newer to giveaways. I've done a couple in the past, and they've always been so hard to choose a winner because I wish I could give every single one of you guys something, but you know, in the future I will. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll have like more of the giveaway stuff in the description box down below, and keep you guys updated on my Instagram because that's where I'm on every single day on my Instagram story. So keep up with me on Instagram and you guys will get to know all the deets. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to share it with a friend. Let them get some lash motivational inspiration. Enter the giveaway. If they win, you know, be like, hey, hook me up, give me a little bit of something. If I win, I could give you a little something. But if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. Subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves. You can also subscribe to my channel right here. Click it and you're subscribed to my channel. And if you want to watch 2 other of my videos, they'll be right here for you. I love you. Bye.